Welcome back. We're still doing geometric sequences. We're doing example 1. Determine the ninth term of the sequence 3, 6, 12, going on like that. So we need to find the ninth term. So first of all, check what type of a sequence do we have here. Right? This is not arithmetic because 6 minus 3 is 3, 12 minus 6 is 6. So we don't have a common difference here. Let's check if we have a common ratio. 6 divided by 3, that's 2. 12 divided by 6, that's 2. So we have a common ratio. Therefore, we're dealing with what? With a geometric sequence. So we write our formula. Tn is equal to a, which is our first term, times r to the power n minus 1. Right, let's check our formula. What we have from this information. We have n. We're looking for the ninth term. So n is equal to 9. And then a is the first term. We have the first term here. So a is equal to 3. Then the common ratio r is equal to t2 divided by t1 or t3 divided by t2. 6 divided by 3 is 2. 12 divided by 6 is 2. So the common ratio is 2. And let me just substitute into our formula. So we're looking for T9, which is the ninth term. So T9 is equal to, where there's A, we put 3 times our ratio is 2 to the power 9 minus 1. Okay, so you can put this in the calculator as it is, or just T9 equal to 3 times 2 to the power 8. I've seen this common mistake sometimes. I'm not sure why. You find people multiplying the coefficient and the base. You cannot do that. We cannot multiply the coefficient and the base. Okay, so 2 to the power 8, you get the answer and multiply that answer with 3. Or just multiply 3 times 2 to the power 8. Just put this in the calculator, you'll get your answer. T9 is equal to 768. It means that 768 is term number 9 in this geometric sequence.